The brand sent this to me to try out with my dogs, and the first thing I want to tell you about is I have a dog named Bailey who is a seizure dog. He has idiopathic epilepsy, which means he has seizures from time to time, so I have to be extremely careful about everything I put in him, on him, around him. And I was very thankful that the brand was so willing to answer all my questions and make sure that this product was not going to hurt him in any way. And what I found out is that the ingredients in this product is something that their body makes anyway, so you don't have to worry about it. You just spray it in their mouth. It helps reduce plaque and tartar, and it freshens and controls their breath. So if your dog has bad breath, this is a great product to use. I've noticed that my dog's breath is much fresher. I'm going to give you my top 3 reasons this dental spray earned a permanent spot in Bailey's daily routine, and I'm saving the most important one for last. Number 3, no toothbrush required. That's not a small thing. If you've ever tried to brush a dog's teeth, you know what I'm talking about. There's a toothbrush, there's a dog with opinions about it, they don't want to do it. So having something that you can easily spray directly into their mouths or add to their water is a huge win. Number 2, it does real dental work. Freshening breath is the easy part. This spray is designed to reduce plaque and tartar buildup and support healthy gum tissue over time. And the number 1 reason, and the one I saved for last because it's the reason I felt comfortable recommending this to every dog owner watching, the brand talked to me. When I reached out with questions about the ingredient safety for an epileptic dog on multiple medications, I did not get a generic response. I got real answers to specific questions. That level of transparency from a brand about their product tells you something important about how they build it and how they stand behind it. If you're looking for oral care for your pets that don't include a toothbrush, no fight, no ingredient compromise, just clean teeth and better breath for a dog who deserves the best care you can give them, then take a look out this HICC Pet Oral Care Spray. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, follow my shop for more hands-on demos and reviews of all my home, yard, dog, and camping favorites. Thanks for watching.